to do the astronaut food taste test. And here they are. Whoops, there's one left.
Ooh, so we got them now, yeah?
Yes.
So we're going to try some strawberries. Some, oh, that's helpful, isn't it? Some mint chocolate chip ice cream. Bananas. That way. Can you read that one?
Cookies and caramel ice cream sandwich.
Cookie and cream ice cream sandwich. Yeah? Not caramel. And can you read that one?
Cinnamon apple wedges.
So there you go. So who's going first? Oldest to youngest, youngest to oldest?
Oldest to youngest.
So I'm going to go first. I'm going to try the banana. But we'll all try together, okay? So this is what they look like. Come on.
I think they're going to taste like normal bananas.
Right one.
Yummy.
Did you like that one? Did you like that one?
Yes.
That's good. So your turn. Which one are we going to try next?
Cookies and cream ice cream sandwich.
Go and open it. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, look. Let's break it up. Ooh, one bit. You have that bit. You have that bit. And 3, 2, 1. I'm not keen on that one. I don't really like it. Do you like it, Tar?
Yeah.
Do you like it, Lou?
Yes.
Talia, which one are we going for next?
This one.
Which is what? What is it?
Cinnamon and apple wedges.
Yeah, you should be able to open it. That's it. Spit one out. Oh, don't spit one out just in case. Spit one out. Get one. And. In 3, 2, 1. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Taz, did you like it?
No. Can I spit it out?
Spit it out. Is it in there? Now, guess what, Taz? I liked it.
Yucky.
It's my favourite one so far.
No, mine.
Hang on, not yet. So yeah, this is my favourite one so far. I think next we'll go for the mint chocolate chip ice cream. Yeah? Oh, I can't even get into it. There it is. Oh, yeah, you have that bit there. You can have that bit. I'm going to go for this bit. Ready, steady. What do you think, News?
It's yummy.
What do you think, Tal?
Good.
Now, all we got there is the strawberry pieces, yeah? Oh, look at that. Grab one. Grab one. Get the smaller one. Ready, steady. Oh. I am. So, is it all gone? Careful. Is yours gone? Which was your favourite one? So you had that one, you had the banana one, the apple wedges that I think you liked.
No.
Or the mint chocolate chip one, or the strawberry. You like mint chocolate chip. Which was your favourite one? I really like the apple wedges. I really like the cinnamon and apple wedges. Which was your least favourite one?
These two.
Which one didn't you like the most? And I wasn't keen on this one. Was it a good challenge?
Yeah.
Was it a good challenge?
Yes.
Apart from the wedges.
And this.
And the strawberry. So yeah, I think it was a really good challenge apart from the ice cream sandwich, which was a bit yucky. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you again soon. Always remain random.